today's review, we're looking at the Emergency Crank Weather Radio, also known as the MD-09UP. This is a must-have for anyone living in areas prone to hurricanes, tornadoes, or snowstorms. First up, the battery. This radio packs a massive 14,800 mAh rechargeable battery, which is 4,000 mAh. That means it can charge a smartphone fully, and then some. In fact, it can charge multiple phones in an emergency. Charging options are abundant. You've got solar charging, a hand crank, micro USB, and even a standard USB port to charge other devices. The hand crank is comfortable and generates power quickly. The solar panel on the back is efficient, so you can leave it in the sun to top up. Now let's talk about the radio features. This isn't just an AM/FM radio. It also receives NOAA Weather Alerts. With the external antenna, you get crystal clear reception of all 7 NOAA stations, giving you real-time updates on weather hazards like hurricanes, tornadoes, and floods. This could be a lifesaver, helping you prepare before a storm hits. The lighting functions are impressive too. There's a super bright 3-mode flashlight that can illuminate over 10 meters. That's farther than most emergency radios. There's also a reading lamp with a motion sensor, perfect for midnight trips without waking your family. The tap switch makes it easy to activate. Build quality is solid. It feels durable and ready for anything. The design has been optimized for ease of use, with an electricity label to show battery levels and a comfortable grip. In summary, the Emergency Crank Weather Radio MD-09UP is an excellent value. It offers reliable communication, powerful lighting, and multiple charging methods. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for natural disasters, this radio is a reliable companion. It's backed by an 18-month warranty and dedicated customer service. I highly recommend adding it to your emergency kit.